Welcome back, YouTube family. It's your boy Y back again with another video. Sorry I'm a little bit under the weather, but just going over really quick. This is the Nothing Ear 2's transparent design. This is always awesome. I like to see the internals. Right now I have a red skin on it because I want to protect it. Let me know if you'd like to know where I got that from. As you see, it's a box design, which is smaller than it was in the first edition, which is way better. Here is the black editions, which is way more sleek. I don't like the white ones because they get dirty too easily. So the black edition was definitely a win for me. Overall, these was very nice sounding and very compact to put in your pocket, you know, especially if you're on the go and you don't want to put it in something. Again, you can see the internal just by looking at it, which I always like a great design. I would have liked that black around the top of it to also be transparent, but maybe in another edition. Going over what it would look like in your ear, as you can see, it just sits snug in the ear, and you would just squeeze the sides in order to change it. Now, when you look at the EQs, as you can see, and I'm screen recording so that way you can see it. So going over the EQs itself, there's many things you can do with the EQs. You can customize it. They already have like selectable options for you if you want to just select something if you don't care about doing it yourself, which is totally fine. I always choose actually more bass because I love bass. I love bass in songs. But if you don't want to do that, totally fine. You can check whatever one fits for you. Even for the pinching on the edges, it shows clearly where you can customize it too, so always super handy. Now, going into the next one, as you can see in the video, I'm kind of showing you how to actually charge it. So on the main screen, you click that reverse wireless charging, which you can find right on the phone. And then once you reverse wireless charge, you just turn it over, and then you just put the case right on top. So really quick review. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Peace.